Haven't gone into a corporate office in 2 years. I look like a gremlin this morning. This is reality, guys. Most people put themselves together before they get on camera. I just don't have the energy today, which is also interesting. Like, I kind of like this about vlog week because I obviously don't get ready every single morning, but on the mornings that I know that I'm gonna vlog, I'll put myself a little bit more together than I typically would. So obviously, like, my hair wouldn't be like this, and I would probably still be in a sweatshirt, but my face would be like a little bit more depuffed, and you know, I would just be a little bit more put together. But I think the interesting thing about vlog week is that I obviously like just don't have the energy to put myself together every single day. That is just not my personality. I just don't have it in me. So you guys are getting the raw and real content for vlog week. Happy vlog week day 4. It is Tuesday morning and I just finished editing yesterday's vlog because I want to upload it and get it all set up for the day. I've been trying to pre-upload videos for vlog week so that I'm not doing it the day before because my Wi-Fi is so crappy. I would love to do a vlog week where I film that day and then upload that day so it's more like real-time content for you guys, but my Wi-Fi simply does not allow it. I've gone on Spectrum rants in the past, so I'm not going to go down that path with you guys, but basically I have Spectrum and it's just like the shittiest service ever. So we can't do that, unfortunately, but I would love to be able to do that for you guys. So that's why some of these are kind of pre-recorded. Day 1 was Friday, Saturday. Day 2 was Sunday. Day 3 will be Monday. Day 4 will be Tuesday. Day 5 will be Wednesday. And they'll go up like 2 days after. That's kind of the order for vlog week, but maybe in future vlog weeks I'll be able to get videos up the day that it's happening, pending that I'm in a different apartment with different Wi-Fi situation. But good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Like I was saying, I think it's going to be a pretty chill day. I have a lot of schoolwork that I need to get done today because I'm going into the office tomorrow, which I'm really nervous about. I'm not nervous about it. I just like, I don't want to go in. I haven't gone into a corporate office in 2 years. So the thought of waking up early, getting dressed, making a lunch, taking the subway to my office, sitting there for 8 hours, having to interact with people, that just sounds like a lot to me. Personally, I like working from home more because, as you guys know, I have ants in my pants. Like, I am always constantly doing something. I'm never really just sitting there. So when I have downtime at work, I'm cleaning my apartment, making lunch, making breakfast, editing YouTube videos, doing schoolwork, like something to keep myself entertained because I have a hard time just like sitting and staring at a screen and not doing anything. And when I'm at the office, I have a feeling that I'm going to be just like sitting and staring at a screen, which is going to drive me up the wall. We'll see what happens. I am excited to finally see my office. I've heard the office is really cool and I'm really excited to meet my team. That's like not the part that I'm nervous about, not the part that I'm dreading. It's like the act of like actually going there and sitting there all day. That's the part that I'm dreading. Just to be very realistic with you guys and honest and open about the situation, I am just, it's just not connecting with me, but I have to do it. I really do because it's technically mandatory. So that's what we're doing tomorrow. So I'm just like mentally preparing for that today, and I need to get a bunch of stuff done today because I won't be able to do it tomorrow while I'm in the office. And then by the time I come back home, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna want to like disconnect. So that's kind of the plan for today. Also, I made a latte this morning, so setting myself up for success. less crazy than I did before, but I cleaned up my kitchen a little bit, did the dishes, ate some breakfast, finished my coffee, sent out a few work emails, washed my face finally, brushed my teeth, and all before noon. So that's a win in my book today, because today I'm just feeling a pajama day. I still haven't changed out of my pajama shorts or my pajama t-shirt. It's underneath the sweatshirt, but at least I got myself cleaned up and my apartment cleaned up, you know. That's a small win in my book. And I'm getting ready to do some schoolwork. I have a lot of modules that I need to watch, things that I need to read, a discussion post to respond to, and then a rough draft of a presentation to set up. So I want to get all of that done. No, I'm not going to get all of it done, but I at least want to do the readings, watch the presentation, and do the discussion post today, and then later this week I can do the discussion post responses and then set up the rough draft of the presentation that I'm gonna do and go from there. But I want to get a good chunk today because, like I said, tomorrow I'm going into the office, which will be good, but I just don't want to like have to worry. Since I'm going into the office for the first time, and I talked about it earlier, so I'm not going to sound like a broken record, and I'm just like hesitant about it. I want to make sure that I take any other stressors off of my plate for tomorrow. So schoolwork, YouTube, I want to get this video that I'm filming today edited and uploaded by tonight so I don't have to worry about it tomorrow. And anything else that I would have like potentially stressing me out tomorrow, I want to get it done today so that tomorrow just goes as smoothly as possible. So doing that now, but wanted to just give you guys a little bit of an update that I did in fact put myself slightly together today. This is just the reality. Just made some chicken noodle soup for lunch. I'm gonna have it with crackers, a huge glass of water, and I'm gonna turn on a little show. I'm taking a break from work and from school. Sorry for the really weird angle, but this is the only way I can get the camera to sit right now. Since the last time I talked to you guys, which was like an hour and a half ago, I have been the most productive human. Like, I'm actually proud of myself. I sat in a meeting, I read for school, I watched the lectures for school, I did my discussion post for school, I even did my discussion post responses for school, I packaged a Poshmark package, I made myself lunch. Like, I don't know how I managed to turn this day around to be so productive, but I'm honestly proud of myself. Oh, I also finished uploading the vlog week video for tomorrow to YouTube, so look at me go, I'm on a roll. That's why I'm giving myself a little bit of break, because I've been so busy with work and school and other little tasks that I had on my list that I didn't like breathe for 2 hours or an hour and a half or however long that was. So I'm letting myself take a little bit of a break and watch a little show and eat and just kind of relax. Like I said, I don't know how I managed to turn this day around and make it productive, but I'm not mad about it because that just means that I have less things to do tomorrow and later this week. And like I said, I don't want to be stressed going into the office tomorrow thinking about all the stuff that I have to do when I get home. So I just knocked a bunch off of my list, which is really, really good. The shoe rack that I was talking about in yesterday's vlog came in. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what it currently looks like. I don't know why I expected it to come at least semi-assembled. This is completely not assembled whatsoever, so I'm gonna have to put on my Bob the Builder hat and really get to work here. But I didn't think it would take this much work, so this will be a fun little project. Been successfully built. It was actually pretty easy to put together. I also like the look of it. I think that the coloring is really pretty and the material is pretty good as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take all the shoes out of my closet and then put this in and start organizing, just so that you guys are aware of what we're working with. Please do not judge me. This is what I'm trying to fix. This is an absolute disaster. I've tried to organize it without a shoe organizer. I just have too many shoes and need a system of like stacking somehow. So hopefully this thing that I just put together fits well and we can have like a more organized system than whatever the heck is going on here. Now I can start organizing. Okay, are you ready for the grand reveal? Guys, doesn't this look so much better? I had to move some things around and hide some shoes because honestly, this closet just isn't big enough for the amount of shoes that I have, and I probably should purge some more shoes than I already have, but I have a shoe problem and an obsession, so I don't really want to get rid of any more. So I put some of the boots, like winter boots, behind the shoe rack, put some off to the side, did all of the shoes that I wear the most on the top and middle shelves, and then obviously put the heels in the front because they fit perfectly. I think that it looks so much better than what it was before. This shoe rack is fantastic. I was nervous it was going to be too tall, but obviously I misjudged by a lot, considering it could have been way taller and still fit, but I'm just so happy with the way that it turned out. And if you guys want the link to the shoe rack, I will link it in the description of this video. Like I said, love the color, great quality, and it was super, super easy to put together. So I'm very happy with the way this turned out. Now I just need to keep it like this and keep it clean. Okay, I completely forgot that I booked a Pilates class for 5 p.m. and it is 4:45 now. So I have to get going in a few minutes or else I'm going to be late. But I just have on pretty much all Lululemon. This is a Lululemon tank, Lululemon leggings, and then my Aritzia puffer because it is still 35 degrees outside in New York. Today I'm finally no longer sore, which is good because if I was still sore, it was going to make this class a little bit miserable. I'm not doing solid core this time. I'm doing like a chiller Pilates class that I've done previously that I really, really like. It's like a pretty intimate setting and I just feel really weird whipping out my phone or anything to record. So if anything, I will talk to you guys after, but I need to head there now because I'm literally running so late. I look crazy. This is a face mask, I promise. It's like one of the pore face masks that I'm obsessed with. But just got back from Pilates, took a shower. I needed to wash my hair so bad, so it was literally the first thing that I did when I got back because my hair has felt so gross all day. Pilates was good. I definitely should have waited a few more days to go back to another Pilates class just because my abs were still so sore during the majority of the workouts, which was not exactly fun. So I should have done a cardio day instead of a Pilates day, but lesson learned for next time. I think for the rest of the night, I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner. I need to edit this vlog to get it up before I go to work tomorrow, pack my bag for work, and go from there. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end off this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching vlog week day 4. If you haven't seen 1 through 3, you should have watched it before this one, but I'll forgive you and just go back and watch it now so you can like catch up, you know, so you're in on all the gossip and everything that's going on, you feel me? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.